Okay, we've done in class, for one of my class anyways, all these A, and then we did all that. When there's a y-intercept, then you can estimate a y-intercept. You estimate it and then put it in there, and then all you have to do is find slope, and then you can write an equation of a line. But when you don't have a y-intercept, like this one, you don't know your y-intercept, you have to use point slope form. Okay, and then solve it. So we've been doing this all year. So that's how you do this two problems down here. And then this problem here, we did 6 and then graph it. And then now we have to explain what we did here and divide that by 2. Okay, make sure you divide by 2. And the length and width of this rectangle, the length right here, it's the same as the diameter up here. So that diameter we found to be 15. So the length here, or the width, is also 15. Diameter is 15. That's how we got radius 7.5. So length is 8, width is 15. And when you multiply that, you get 120. Last, you add them together. Make sure you have this in there in your calculator. I'm seeing still a lot of kids. I think I'm going to have to grade these separately on your next test or quiz. Is that square? Kids are forgetting the square. 3.14 times times 7.5, and then squared. And then divide that by 2, you should get 88.3125. And last, you add 120 with 3.125. And you should get a total area of 208.3125. And this is inches squared. That's your final answer there. So how do you need to explain how to find it? So I would start with, because diameter is missing for the circle, you have to do Pythagorean theorem. Because the number for the diameter is missing, you need to do a squared plus b squared equals to c squared, where 17 is c and 8 is a, to get 15 for b, 15 for the diameter. So radius is is 7.5. Then we find area of a half a circle. Half a circle by multiplying 3.14 times 7.5 squared and divide by 2 to get 88.315. Next, find area of the triangle. rectangle. By multiplying 8 times 15 to get 120. Last, add 120 with 88.3125 to get 208.3125 inches squared. And that's it. That's how you do this worksheet. That should be easy.